I had to make a couple returns. Stuff didn't fit. Surprisingly, it was a little too big. Thank you. I was really taking it off the shelf. So, here's what I found. And I'd like to say that as long as my son confiscate. So he'll probably take it from me. However, this is mine. Like, when it's said and done, at the end of the day, this is mine that I bought, and I'm going to keep it. We're getting a little hint. Okay. So let's go. It's so great. I can't wait to show you. Okay. This is part of my birthday joy. Still, my birthday. And so here's what I got. I'm going to take it out of the box, and I can't wait to show you. So here it is. Title. Stay patient, people. Stay patient. This is going to be worth it. I promise. Maybe not. Maybe not. But it's worth it to me. And I had to share with my friends on the internet list. So, Duncan, not for Cadence. I mean, I'll let them play with it. I'm not a bad mom. I'm not a jerk. But in all honesty, at the end of the day, it doesn't go in their toy box. It goes in my room. So.